3, it's having 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. We call that one. I trust you. What's your pulse?
Pa rin itong sapatos. Dapat pala size
pwede kayo magkakitad ng pwede kayo gano'n. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5. Tapos pwede kang mag 6. Good. Ano ba? Ano ba gusto mo? 6, 7. Or anong gusto mo? 6, 7. Pwede 6. 7, and then 8. Yeah. One more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Yan. Gusto ko yun. Yan. Okay. Can I have you guys in your positions? Okay, we'll do stop and go. Everybody here lang para kita lahat. Can I see 2 lines? Atras ito para kasya kayo sa video. This is for ano lang, review purposes. And then, poses na. Naka-face sa likod yung 4, naka-face sa harap yung the rest. Harap ka rin. Ready? So first pose and 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kailangan dagdagan ng changes pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Si Bea. What's your 1? One. Three. Pwede naman. 3, 4. Go. 3 and 4. Okay, 1. And then 5. Tara. 1. Dito ka na tayo. 5. And then release. 6. And then 7. Pwede ko magbaba ng 8. Okay.
Kaya mo may rapat sa mga.
Sige, wag na lang pala. Dito ano? 8. Yung ano, yung taas. Yeah. So, ganito na. This is 4. Or is this 3? 3. And then 4. Dito. 5. 6. Ano yung 7 mo? 7. Dito. 6. Dapat ito yung 8. 7 na lang. Ito. Ay, oo, nag-release siya. Ano yung 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Game. Can I see everyone again? 5, 6, 7, and 1. Wait lang. Stop and go lang. Kasi gusto ko makita yung dynamics. 1. And pwede mag-1. Pwede may mag-down sa inyo ng 1. Gusto mo yan. 1. Okay. It's recorded naman. 1. Ito na yung 1. Can you see? 1. And then 2. Bingon ka dito, Andrea. Show some face. Yan. 2. And then 3. Nice. And then 4. Nice. Nice. 4. 5. Nice. 6. 7. 8. Oh, okay. This is good. This looks good now. You just have to memorize it and look
May nagawa ka. Since mura kasi siya, alam mo mas malaki mo. So, kung ikot namin yung fix sa gitna, kung short na ako dito, kasi iwan na ako. Kasi I barely make it in time.
Really? Okay, sige. But maybe make a poster like, tulbo ka na lang dito. Yeah, instead of third, tulbo. Both of you. Para like, boom, tapos break kayo.
Yes. And then in that section yung song, na we can stop.
Yes. Sabay tayo. Okay, can I have your dalawa mo?
Parang yun.
So guys, yung stage natin is pakata more than paganon. Tama, diba? So yung diagonal natin is more, instead of like palalim, paganon siya, ihihigan yung tail niya ng konti. Yes. So, meron parang dito lang. So, go. Face. So, dapat shoulder. Kapantay mo siya. Dapat kapantay. Right? So, dapat wala kayong nakikita na
Adidas to eh. Alam mo, parang nag-isa na lang to. Kasi, nung binili ko siya sa online ko binili eh. May pants pa to eh. Hindi ko na tapos.
Left. And then, para mas may direction siguro.
Yan. Ito, ganito yan yung sukat. Your right shoulder should be aligned to the left shoulder here. And go para. Yes. So, ganyan. Check yourself in the mirror. Tandaan niyo yung distance at saka yung katapat ng body parts niyo sa harap. Yes? Okay. So, when you walk, dito muna. 1, 2, nag-ayos kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it has to be very clear na nag 5, 6, 7. Yes? So, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then can I see this? 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, when you do 5, 6, dito yung balik. So, di ba 5, 6, nandito yung kamay ko. Align ng thigh ko, ganyan siya. 5, 6. Yes? Okay, can I see one from the top? 5, 6, 7, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Oops! 6. Tapusin niyo muna to. Dapat nalinis tayo ng 6. Nandito yun, no? So, dapat ito yung position nyo ng 6. 5, 6. Okay? Right arm nasa likod. Left arm naka-extend. Align. Para siyang dalawang diagonal line. Yes? Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Oops, huwag niyo muna siya i-anticipate. End muna kayo here. Isa pa. 5, 6. Yan. 5, 6, 7, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 6. Balik kayo dito. 6. 5, 6. Yes? So, pag rinatay niyo yung kamay niyo, ibalik niyo lang. Isang buo. Dapat yung plane kung saan dumadaan yung kamay niyo, harap lang ng katawan. Huwag mo siya padaanin sa likod mirror. Yan o, diretso lang sa harap. Zoom. Dapat dyan lang siya. Zoom. Yan. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. And then go there na. 7, 8, 7, 8. So, ang importante yun guys, pag nag-7, 8, tapusin yung muna siya here. So, balik from here, this is 6, di ba? And then you double step turn lang yun. 7, 8. Diagonal, please. Left to right shoulder. So 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then make sure that you maintain the diagonal. Dapat forward ka kayo. Yes? Okay, one more. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Same lang yung range. Pagano na. 7, 8. Nandito na kayo. Establish nyo na siya. Nasa front. Diyan kayo magsistep ng left. Left. Tapos ilalabas nyo yung pet nyo ngayon. Tapos arms, nandito pa rin. Naka-cross sa harap. And then, boom, boom. Yes? And then, sharp cut. Dito pa rin siya sa ito. Kung nasa yung base. Okay. Okay. Isa pa. Galing dito. Pusog konti dun kasi parang kayo tayo. Forward, forward. Oops.
Kadiri yun. Right na lang po. Right, right. Sige pa.
Ikaw din, Roman. You're ready. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, front and side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Yes? Okay. So yun lang yun. You have to do the stopping points. Kung yun lang yung okay. Can I have the music?
Don't